Hello, today I'm going to explain a few different Microsoft Excel functions that are important for everyone to know when dealing with data. Microsoft Excel is one of the most useful programs for anyone using a dataset. From simply organizing the data to creating colorful charts, the program provides easy access to various different features. One of the most helpful tools in Excel is the ability to quickly perform mathematical functions on a dataset. Every Excel user should know how to utilize these tools either longhand or by using an Excel function. To demonstrate these important functions, I have typed a list of numbers. However, these functions will work for a variety of datasets. The first function I will introduce is addition. A simple way to add numbers in a dataset together is to use the plus sign on your keyboard. Simply type an equal sign in an empty cell and type each value you want to add with a plus sign in between each. Then press enter. After pressing enter, the cell should contain the value that is the sum of the numbers you wanted to add. Another method for finding the sum of a set of numbers is to use the sum function in Excel. To do this, move to an empty cell, type an equal sign, and type the word sum. A dialog box should pop up that contains sum. Double-click this, then highlight the cells containing the data you want to add. After you highlight the cells, press enter. This will give you the sum of the values in the dataset. The Excel function provides a faster way to find the sum of a dataset, but both methods can be used in Excel to give you the information you need. The second function I will discuss is the product or multiplication function. The product function works similarly to the sum function. You can type an equal sign and enter each value in the dataset using an asterisk between each value, then press enter to see the product. You can also type an equal sign and type the word product, select the function in the dialog box that appears, and highlight the cell containing the data you want to multiply. After pressing enter, both functions will give you the product of the values. Both methods give correct answers, but the product function takes less time. Another important Excel function is the average function. The average function allows you to find the average value of your dataset. You can find the average longhand by typing an equal sign, then adding the values together using a plus sign, and dividing by the total number of values by using a slash. You can also use a function by typing an equal sign, then typing average and selecting the average function. You can then highlight the cells that contain the values you are averaging, then press enter to get the average value. This Excel function sometimes takes significantly less time than the longhand method. In summary, I have discussed the sum, product, and average functions in Excel. Hopefully you will be able to use these functions in the future to make data calculations a bit easier for yourself. Thank you for watching.